Steel is the backbone of modern civilization, supporting the skyscrapers, bridges, and cities around us every day. Before reaching the skyline, it began as ordinary rock, hidden deep beneath the earth. From the Burj Khalifa to the Golden Gate Bridge, every steel structure starts the same way. This is the story of transformation, turning raw minerals into the framework of our world. An incredible industrial journey begins here, where nature meets engineering on a massive scale.
Maintain flow rate at 20 tons per hour. Stand by with the clay gun. Over.
Now the steel is ready, refined, alloyed, and prepared for casting. The next stage demands absolute precision as liquid steel moves toward the molds. Continuous casting transforms liquid metal into a solid form without interruption. A glowing strand of steel emerges, taking shape before our eyes. Now comes the rolling mill, where shape and strength are refined together. Each pass improves the structure, aligning the internal grain of the metal. The steel behaves almost like clay, under tremendous industrial pressure. Complex beam profiles begin to appear ready for construction projects worldwide. Some steel becomes massive structural beams, supporting skyscrapers and bridges. Other sections are rolled into rebar, reinforcing concrete structures everywhere. Advanced lasers measure every dimension, maintaining strict manufacturing tolerances. Modern production leaves no room for error. Precision is everything. As the metal cools, its final properties emerge, strength replacing the glow of heat. Thousands of steel products leave the line daily, destined for future projects. Each piece receives a digital identity, ensuring complete traceability. Rows of finished steel fill the warehouse, waiting for shipment around the world. Quality inspections continue even now, verifying every critical requirement. The finished products begin their journey toward construction sites worldwide. Global trade networks distribute steel everywhere, from small towns to major cities. Across oceans and continents, shipments travel, carrying the framework of future skylines. Precise logistics keep projects supplied exactly when materials are needed. Finally, the steel reaches its destination, ready to become part of something extraordinary. From deep underground mines to towering skylines, the remarkable journey of steel is complete. Every beam, every structure, and every skyline begins with a process like this, transforming raw materials into the foundations of our future. If you enjoyed today's journey, please like this video. Share it with fellow engineering and manufacturing enthusiasts, and subscribe to Future Flow Factory to explore more incredible factory processes from around the world. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep discovering how our world is made.